Today we will discuss about the nodes and receptors on heart. So in this we will discuss about the three things. We will discuss that what are the nodes and what are the types of nodes on heart, what are their functions, and we will discuss about the receptors which are present on the heart node. So first we have to know that what are nodes. Nodes are the clusters of cells which are present on the heart and they generate the electrical impulses of the heart. The heart contains two nodes. Number one is SA node, the second one is AV node. SA stands for sinoarterial node while AV stands for atrioventricular node. We will discuss these two nodes one by one. These two nodes are very important for the proper electrical activity of the heart. Any abnormality in these nodes can lead to arrhythmias. So first we will discuss about the SA node. The SA node is known as natural pacemaker of heart. Pacemaker means anything which organizes or sets the speed, as the SA node sets the speed of the heartbeat. So that's why it is known as natural pacemaker of heart. SA node is the bundle of specialized cells located in the upper wall of the right atrium. The main function of SA node is to generate the electrical impulses and sets the rate and rhythm of the heartbeat. The normal heartbeat is between 50 to 100 times per minute. The generation of electrical impulses causes the contraction of both arteria. When the impulses generates from the SA node, they cause the contraction of right and left atrium and the blood from the atrium moves into the ventricle. This is the main function of SA node. Now we will study about the AV node, that what is the AV node and what are its functions. AV node is also the cluster of cells which is located between the right atrium and right ventricle. It acts like a gate and the impulses which are generated from the SA node moves towards the AV node. Where the impulses become very slow, the impulses from the SA node move towards the AV node, where they slows down, ensuring the complete contraction of the atriums so that the blood in both atriums will move into ventricles and the ventricles are filled properly. So the two main functions of the AV node are: it ensures that the impulses should not move too much rapidly, and the second main function of AV node is to send the impulses towards the AV bundle, which are also known as bundle of His. We will discuss about the bundle of His in our next lecture. So now after completing the SA node and AV node, we have to know that what type of receptors are present on the nodes. The AV node contains no receptor. The receptors are present on the SA node. These are the parasympathetic and sympathetic both innervations. The sympathetic receptor which is present on SA node is beta 1, while the parasympathetic receptor which is present on SA node is M2 receptor. So depending on the environment of the body, the impulses are generated on the SA node and the SA node work accordingly. That what should be the heart rhythm or heartbeat. So this is the overall nodes and receptors of the heart. Let's have a quick review of our today's lecture, that what we have studied today. We studied about the nodes of the heart, that what are the nodes. Nodes are the group of the cells present on the heart which generate the electrical activity of the heart. Then we studied that heart contains two nodes, SA sinoarterial node, AV atrioventricular node. Both are important for the generation of electrical impulses. SA node is also known as pacemaker of the heart, as it generates or sets the rate and rhythm of the heartbeat, while the AV node ensures the proper filling of ventricles. Then we studied about the receptors on the heart nodes. The AV node contains no receptor, while the SA node contains both the parasympathetic and sympathetic receptors. It contains beta 1 and M2 receptors. So this was all about the nodes and receptors on the heart.